India is focusing on bringing back all of its embassy officials. The Indian ambassador to Afghanistan also, Rudrendra Tandon, and his Indian staff are being moved back to India. An Indian Air Force C-17 jet has taken off with Indian officials from the Kabul airport this morning. Over 120 personnel are in the plane. So embassy officials are being pulled out. The Indian ambassador to Afghanistan, all of his staff are being brought back to India, keeping in mind the situation and the unpredictability of what really could happen in Afghanistan next. Geeta Mohan is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, the government said very clearly they're focusing on evacuation right now. We understand that the Indian ambassador to Afghanistan, all the officials present there are being brought back. Really, the focus now will also be on other Indians who are stranded there.
Well, that's right. The C-17 aircraft that had landed in Kabul yesterday and the other that was there for 2 days had started evacuation as soon as they got ground support from the air traffic operations that is now under the control of the U.S. military. The entire staff at the Indian embassy, including Ambassador Rudrendra Tandon, who has been there for a while trying to look at repatriation and sending back Indian nationals. Although I have to say that there could be a few other Indian nationals who are still in Afghanistan, but he tried to get as many out of Kabul before the situation, and the assessment was that the embassy had to be and needed to be evacuated. Akshita, since yesterday we have been reporting on how the entire Indian embassy building and the compound and the road that leads up to the embassy has been absolutely cordoned off by the Taliban. So the security situation for Indians and Indian diplomats in Kabul was becoming a little untenable. Also, the fact that other missions had already evacuated or were in the process of evacuation, but because there were many Indian nationals still in Afghanistan, Rudrendra Tandon, our envoy to Kabul, stayed on, ensured that the facilitation takes place of as many Indian nationals as also Afghans who want to return, who want to come to India, that should really take place. It is being reported, there is a key emergency visa provision that was introduced so that the Afghan nationals from minority communities who seek refuge in India could be given visas in an expedited manner rather than going back to the ministry and seeking clearances. They are on their way to India now and will be landing by the afternoon here in New Delhi.
All right, Geeta, thank you for all of those details. So you've got the Indian ambassador to Afghanistan on his way back by afternoon. As Geeta tells us, they will be landing here in India.